Hey guys, it's Rich Probert. I am standing outside our Alexandria store, and I want to take just a few moments to show you some great new Phoenix USA motorhomes we have. I have TRXs here, and I have a couple of the Phoenix Cruisers as well. Let's take a look. Well guys, we're going to start off with this brand new 2024 2552 Phoenix Cruiser. This is a twin bed floor plan in here. We want you to take some time just to look over some of its great features. This is on a Ford chassis with the E450 engine, but the floor plan itself really is convenient with the way it's laid out. With the twin beds in the back, a rear bathroom as well. We have 150 watts of solar on the roof of this coach as well. These are power beds back here that you could convert it into one big sleeping area if you wanted to. But a really nice rectangle shower in the back, along with electric toilet and some rear cap storage there as well. Really makes great storage in a smaller footprint like this motorhome is. As we come back up to the front, I just want to point out a few of the features here in the kitchen area. We have an LG microwave convection oven up above, a really nice 2-burner cooktop, but a really nice deep stainless steel sink here that really allows you to have a great place for prep and for washing dishes. We have a power tower with a couple of 110s and 2 USBs there. Nice storage underneath. And then opposite, we have a nice pantry here as well with 3 pull-out drawers. And right next to that, we also have the Norco refrigerator with a freezer up above and a refrigerator down below. When we look at an extra sleeping area in this coach, we have in here a kind of a unique system the way this is set up. But this is a power footrest here that comes out when you're using it just for, the day side of it. But then at night, this will also convert into a sleeping area here for you as well. We remove our side pieces here, and then this kind of converts into a kind of a flip and tumble style bed there. So you have really adequate sleeping for 4 people in here if you needed that. As we said, we're on the Ford chassis here. Really love the way we've laid this out up here. Our radio head here is made by Garmin. That is actually designed to hold in there by a magnet where it can be removed. It looks like about the size of an iPad, and that has your GPS, but also all the controls for the radio up front. We have HWH jacks on this motorhome, and just a lot of great features and a shorter footprint of a motorhome. Allows you to move in different places. Guys, this is the Phoenix 2552 Phoenix Cruiser. We have this price at $179,900. For more information on this motorhome or any of the ones that you may see, call us at 320-834-6333. My name's Rich Probert, and I'm with Steinbring Motor Coach, and we're here to help you with your RV needs. Have a great day.